In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a social media manager. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your social media management processes, ClickUp offers powerful tools to streamline your workflow and ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's dive into how you can make the most out of it. To kick things off, you have the option to pick a template that best suits your social media management needs, or if you prefer, you can build one from scratch. Choosing a template can really help you start faster. ClickUp offers ready-made templates specifically designed for social media workflows. First, there's the Social Media Posts template. This is a comprehensive tool that includes a variety of views to help you manage your content effectively. You'll find views like List, Board, also known as Kanban, Calendar, Embed, and Doc. Each of these views serves a specific purpose, giving you a complete overview of your social media posts. Additionally, it offers custom fields such as content category and draft link, and allows you to set specific statuses to monitor the progress of your content. This ensures that every post moves smoothly from the planning stages to being published, without anything slipping through the cracks. Alternatively, you might want to explore the Social Media Strategy Workflow template. This one is particularly beneficial for organizing the various stages of your social media strategy. It includes custom views, such as mood boards, branded guides, and different phases of content creation. This template is invaluable for coordinating long-term strategies and ensuring that every piece of content aligns with your brand's goals and aesthetic. Now, it's important to choose the template that aligns with your specific project needs. If at any point you decide to build your workflow from scratch, don't worry. ClickUp's interface is extremely user-friendly, allowing you to customize each aspect to fit your unique style and objectives. You might wonder why using templates is so important. The real benefit here is efficiency. They provide a solid structure that's ready to go, which means you have more time to focus on the creative aspects of your job rather than administrative details. Plus, the customization options ensure that no matter the template, it will always fit seamlessly into your personal workflow. Remember, the key to using ClickUp effectively as a social media manager is to continually explore various features and adjust them as your needs evolve. ClickUp is designed to be flexible and robust, providing you with the tools necessary to catapult your social media success. So, take the time to explore different templates, play around with the various views, and don't be afraid to experiment until you find what truly works for you. That's it for today's video. Using ClickUp as your go-to tool for social media management will undoubtedly save you time and help keep your projects organized.